So hi friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about some special coins. So these coins were very special. So here the coins are. So are you got shocked? Me too. So these were fake Indian 5 rupees coins. So which were printed in the name of the year 1995. So friends, these were obviously 100% fake coins. By looking itself we can say the color or the paint have been washed out, and the metal is also a qualityless metal. So here we can find the sound itself. Here you can, if you observe, so all the paint or the color have been washed out. So these type of coins can't be survived in circulation for a long time because of this color changing. So friends, today in this video I will say you some features or some tricks to find the difference between original coins and the fake coins. So here the components are three types. So first thing is the shining of the coin. So the original coin shines a lot than the fake coin due to the quality of the paint applied or the metal used. So the second thing is the metal itself. So these fake coins were printed with the cheap metal, so to get more profits. And the third component is the sound. So now I will show you the sound difference between the fake coin and the original coin. So here I had two more original coins. So here you can even easily observe the difference between the fake and original coins. So if you observe the sound quality of the coins, so here let us consider these two coins. So here I was dropping this fake coin. You have had the sound itself. So once again. So now compare this to the original coin. So you might have noticed the sound difference between the both. So these type of tricks we can use to find the difference between the original coins and fake coins. So friends, don't get cheated by these type of fake coins or the currency notes. So in the future or in the coming videos I will tell you to find out the fake notes even. So the security features present in the currency, so you can easily know the difference between the fake coins and the original coins, and you can get rid of cheating. So friends, this is a video made for a cautious purpose. So this is to alert you from not getting cheated by fake coins and fake currency. So friends, if you like the video and the information, so then please give me a like and share this video to all of your friends and family. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, so please do comment for your suggestions and doubts. So all of the suggestions are happily accepted. All of the doubts are maximum to be clarified. So meet you in the next video friends. Until then, take care. Bye bye.